Yenina yenim die esi ewo Ghana. President Akufo-Addo has lifted the ban. Now, and I've been monitoring social media. I've been monitoring radio stations. I've been hearing from experts. Andra, I spoke to you on my thoughts on Nsemwa AC President Akufo-Addo ban now or left. Personally, I feel say the Akufo-Addo ban now or left. It is not right because we share time I would declare say Ghana yen lock it down no Satan ni nya be 30 cases and that cases na ajampia ko 1042 no obi abetre say 7 previousan any kwan say e was a left ban at least so there ma 1 week be embram between but president no nim the war ye eno ni asema nkrofo kan say president no e na wo nyansa wo nim the war ye e na wa left the ban ever since president no left the ban and the ukokurumu nkrofo e back room and it is very worrying. Unibobia wa won kran bisa no. People have forgotten. Eye bi mo say yare no eni ho. E san say president a left ban no. Nkrofo atie si kromo a. They are still going on with their normal lives. Senya na ye ko the first time a ema yare no spread ye no. I am just worried. Na Sami Jemfi a wono nso yebeka say ye nia ye nim no wo ye NDC for communicator what then same aba betuja na obviously minim say munia mo beka say politics because BBC is here you don't expect the NDC not to capitalize on it obviously they will capitalize on it the aya me ya say ade we esisi na ya ye ka say the president na ye ne yen hu ne say right no people are rather labeling us as politicians egrofu mo can say ye mo ye the politics but you see se ne kra wo ho na wo se won ka ne kra na me sa asem we me ne me nan fufuo bi ne ye argument wo ho asem a me ka tro mo ne se he se ne kra wo ho na mo mpase ye be ka ne kra na the only thing I can do ne se me bom pa ye se ya we it will not go further than how it has gone but during lockdown kra ye ne ye hu se ne ya we as spread na lockdown ye jai se Ghana for embram begum we be our scientists be better say Charlie it is just not right anyway we wait and see but we are praying yeah Christopher ne ye bonfire say nothing bad will happen even though it is looking like no something bad might happen no we are just praying say nothing bad will happen now Sami Jemfi ekasai ewo Neat FM now someone Sami Jemfi can say well no dear sisia no we are convinced say ye kase will be a mambofo nation wrecker number 1 Akufo-Addo oh baby o dey afa we say ye kase will be a mambofo a Akufo-Addo age title no o ye mambofo say hey who say ya ye ekosru mom no one left ban e magana for atia si krom endro me the video bro nkrofo etisi krom no omoni age. This morning, I am hearing a lot of reports, even on City FM. People are not even wearing the nose masks now, President Nekan. And yesterday, I made that statement. Say, Ghana has say ya yewoi. Ghana has say ya yewoi. Wobi there, President na semwa wakano 30 minutes long on semwa wakano. Wakan sembe brenya sa sembe brewom. But wobi there what say and say President say we lifted lockdown no. We lifted the ban on lockdown. And now we lifted we future lockdown nimu. And none of the pakone ye nyama president ne catch ya so ne de pakona ante. President no sanso catch ya so say o pie Ghana ni bia pia ko baby a yesre o gloves ahye. Nose mask ne de e compulsory sisi Ghana ni bia wo kwa abonten bia no won hye nose mask. President ne kan. Na so yo bia wo tie me na ende wa kokoro mu a bisa wo ho say how many people did you see wearing nose masks? Ya can say ya lifting lockdown no nkofo ni age even in some president ne ka chia so no they are not doing it. And that is the worrying factor for me. Because the president himself can say Ghana has say no most of your cases no asymptomatic. Na tre say ya ka say asymptomatic a tre say nipa kunu wa yawe na won yi bibia di e ma hu se wo yare no se ne ayaka se wo bi wo yare na wo benya fever ana wo bebowa ana wo be sneeze no Ghana has say President Nakasa na kan say most of the cases no wo bi wo yare na won yi sa nyama ni nia emba bonten it will be tina won chen wo kam when the reports nso ayate taxi drivers ne tro esan say for over 1, 2, 3 weeks nia wo mun sheda nya ejuma papa no wo ma sheda increase wo mo prices akosoro pa wo mo pese wo mo cover for 3 weeks a year backlog no o man ya team ni but president ne ka say send me na one taxi one passenger no saa ne yenye no but wa forget saa de no you can't say you lift lockdown no eno a wa forget say president say send me tro one row nipa ba ko pe ente na so no wa forget ye parking krofo egu cars ni mu ukokroma ende obehu people are not wearing their nose masks. And that is one thing I said. Make I say President Akufo-Addo saying ade a work no if he is counting on the intelligence of Ghanaians say Ghana for ankasa be hu ne say ade no e serious na yankasa ya tenefia then Akufo-Addo doesn't know Ghanaians. Sana me be kan and just a day and do one day cry after lockdown we are seeing all these reports. City FM one back control. That is what I say. Asema mekan no. Say President Akufo-Addo counting on Ghanaians. Say yankasa ye be isu ye nyansa. Na yankasa ya tenefie. Na yankwaje yare na. Then President Akufo-Addo doesn't know Ghanaians. That is we need Ghana for. Because he has so ordained. Even during lockdown, try share the announcer for air. He has so ordained. He has so ordained. But you see, the only thing you can do is say one person bonnet ebe two woman in no. You only pray. Say Nyankopon way presidents and I say why way scientists for air kasa medical association doctors for kasa say this thing it is not good embwa but ye hwe na anim say won no obeba aba beje yen nti enu hu abufuo na samije mfi wo de kwotena net nit fm a wo ka say Akufo-Addo yamambofo na me pesa me reading say money Akwesi Aboagye say na me din kan kire no say Akwesi Aboagye I am very sad since I came of age. This is the most reckless decision any president in the world has ever taken. The decision is the most reckless decision any president can ever take. Does Akufo-Addo care about human lives? Is it human life he wants to play cha-cha with? As someone wakan e wonit FM no. Na ebi mo kan say ane Ghana's economy is going down. We shall lockdown no ama Ghana's economy cut down. Inti no and no say and no say. And I say hey. Ya ne ya wa ha. And a President Akufo-Addo ebe kan say Ghanaians we are imposing the lockdown because we want you to stay at home. President Akufo-Addo can say if the economy goes down we can resurrect it but if you die we can't resurrect you. As asema wa kan ye no yehu ewiase afanan bebre amayaman bebre ebo President Akufo-Addo abaso say asem na wa kan no say Ghana for ye the lockdown to mo so because economy na ekofom say den kra na yen MPP for ye betumi raise economy no na so say nipa wu a yentumi emma enkwa emba biom ende de say asem a president kan ya wiase afanan ni na ye born abaso no all of a sudden he has forgotten about it. Emma, the reason he's giving now is the economy. One of the major reasons, economy. And one of the major reasons people are also saying in defense of this decision, no. Say, oh, economy, no. Okay, economy. Say, ya really chin krofo no mo dampem, na nkrofo bebre wu a. Wan lebe kwa koye adwuma, na economy na akosoro. Ena nkrofo ka ye man nkrofo nye adwuma economy. Me see, in 1918, yare eba ya no so eba wiase mu anenye easy eno so to say coronavirus ya Spanish flu asɛm a maka no saa yareɛ bi sei no ɛtae ba wiase mu every 100 years. In 1918 esie the Spanish flu and also saa states bi a from Philadelphia, Philly, the same thing omo ye yo wo mo declare lockdown na the state governor no amampanyin a wo hwe state ne so panyin a wo hwe so e ba abonten nkofo be jubilate ye. The next time omo be hwe no na yare no aye west kra ema the hospitals were overwhelmed. We are praying say Ghana enduru sir, but please let's just speak the truth for once. This decision the president has taken ejibu yo bi a wo beka say won pe ne kreka. And I've seen people because you see asema American no politics won edidi ye trim. People are defending it with all sorts of way and they was saying nipa koye ejuma and they was saying nipa ye way and they was saying nipa koye way. I gave you a scenario some other time. Me mamu scenario example bi me see here akoya say wo bia ye late wo ko ejuma and wo ko meeting bi wa ye late e ma wo twika speed wo cut top speed o se wa ye late nti wo ko speed o person catch up o bon se wo ko speed sa no na wo de ne car na akopem obi car mu wo de wo car akopem obi car sa ne car no e wo se wusi na o make sure say sa nipa ko no wo ye okay answer wo tukọ obi ana wo ka se wa ye late nti wo ko speed no afei hwan e na wa ma ono akasa ne hwan ye late wo se wa ye late nti wo ko speed o ba o de car na ekobom obi car mu a wo se ne car no afei wesi aba begina a delay time and you can spend almost all your day because I was so hwe ne beto car ne ko wo hwe na o penipa ko ne car ne de ma mechanic ne nyama. You see in temana wo pese wa ye late no on say what sanso cause a bigger disaster. Ghana for any comedy any I was say ye koye ejuma any I was say ye koye ejuma sa say ya re be chill na o dampe mu a ejuma ben na obeye ejuma ben e na obeye me see Ghana yenka ne kani enjoy politics na ye no. Obviously, you expect some NDC people to speak on this and they will be omo usual politics. No, but please, in a time where we had 30 cases, we locked down the country. You think the cases rising up to 1,000, it is right for us to open the lockdown? You think so? Okay. Don't try to comment box. Someone, Sambi Jenfi Kano, or see or no there. Akufo-Addo only cares about power and election. He does not care about Ghana. His actions speak louder than words. He has taken a nation-wrecking decision. Asema Sami Jenfi Akano no. Tese Akufo-Addo ya mambofo. Montre mo adwo comment box ni mo.